Welcome on my YouTube channel IT Lab Solution. Today I am going to solve an assignment or project. The name of the assignment or project is Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 Cumulative Medical. So basically it is the first chapter of Exp2022. I am professional. I have completed all this complete course for many of my students and they got 100 out of 100 marks. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you can hire me or contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. So we first highlight our topic. This assignment consists of 26 steps. I have done all this assignment step by step and you can get this complete assignment by watching my video. So we go on our first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open the file name exp2022 Excel chapter 1 Cumulative Medical. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So we go on our Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded exp2022 Excel chapter 1 Cumulative Medical. So we go on our second step. Our second step is select and delete row 10 that contain the duplicate vision data. So in this step we select and delete the row 10. So we go on our Excel worksheet and select and delete. So here we delete it. So our step number 2 is completed. We go on our step number 3. Our step number 3 is select and cut row 11 that contain the 3 pharmacy expenses and insert cut cell on the row 5. So in this step we select and cut the row 11. So we go on our Excel worksheet and select and cut the row 11. So we cut it and it is saying that and insert cut cell on row 5. So on row 5 here is the option is insert cut cell. So we insert cut cell. Our step number 3 is completed. We go on our step number 4. Our step number 4 is insert a new column A and type expenses in cell A3. So in this step we insert a column A and put it in A3. So we go on our Excel worksheet and insert a new column A and in A3 we put this one. So our step number 4 is completed. In our step number 5 it is saying that type in cell A4 and use autofill to complete the expenses number to the range A5 to A11. So in this step we insert date in cell A4. So we go on our Excel worksheet and here I will first copy it. Here is this. I copy it and paste into A4. So A4 is this. We paste it and copy down. So our step number 5 is completed. So our step number 6 is change the width of column A to 12. So in this step we change the width of column A to 12. So we go on our Excel worksheet and set the column width. So here is the column weight. We increase it to 12. So our step number 6 is completed. Our step number 7 is type mod 224 medical expenses in cell A1 and march and center the title over the range A1 to J1. So in this step we type this one in cell A1. So we copy it and put in cell A1. So A1 is this one and we first put it, and it is also saying that center the title over the range A1 to J1. So we first select A1 to J1 and merge and center. So our step number 7 is completed. Our step number 8 is apply bold green font color and 14 pt font size to the title in cell A1. So in this step we increase the font to 40 pt and green font color and apply bold. So we go on our Excel worksheet and first we bold it, and then font color is to green. Here is green, and increase its pt to 4. So in this tab we apply bold green font color and 14 pt font size to title in cell A1. So in this tab we increase font size to 14 and apply bold and green font color. So we go on our Excel worksheet and apply bold and green font color, and its pt is increase its pt to 14. So our step number 8 is completed. We go on our step number 9. Our step number 9 is find all occurrences of lab and replace them with laboratory. So in this tab we replace lab with laboratory. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in the find and replace tab we find what is lab and replace is by laboratory and laboratory. No, here is no. Here is so we replace all here, and our step number 9 is completed. So our step number 10 is we first highlighted check the spelling in the worksheet and correct all spelling errors. So in this tab we check the spelling and correct all the spelling errors. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in the review tab spelling checker, so we change all. So our spelling error was gone. I have completed 10 steps of this assignment, and this assignment consists of 26 steps. So our step number 11 is calculate the adjusted bill in cell F4 by subtracting the amount not covered from the amount billed. Copy the formula to the range F5 to F11. So in this step we calculate adjusted bill in cell F4. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in cell F4 we enter a formula to calculate adjusted bill. Amount billed subtracted by amount not covered. So press enter. Here is the result. We copy down it. So our step number 11 is completed. Our step number 12 is calculate the amount owed in cell I4 by subtracting the insured paid and compare from adjusted bill. Copy the formula to the range I5 to I11. So in this step we calculate amount owed in cell I4. So we go on our Excel worksheet, and in cell I4 we enter a formula to adjusted bill subtracted by insured and subtracted by compare. Press enter. So here is the amount owed. We copy it and down. So our step number 12 is completed. Our step number 13 is calculate the percent PD of adjusted bill in cell J4 by adding the compare and amount owed and then dividing that amount by adjusted bill. Copy the formula to the range J5 to J11. So in this step we calculate percent PD of adjusted bill in cell J4. So we go on our Excel worksheet, and in cell J4 we enter a formula. In this formula it is saying that copay and amount owed, copay plus amount owed and divided by adjusted bill. So adjusted bill is here. Press enter. So here is the result. We copy formula and down to the here. So our step number 13 is completed. Our step number 14 is apply accounting number format to the range D4 to I4. So first we copy it and paste here to select the range, and here in the home tab we apply accounting number format. So here is the accounting number format. So we did here. Our step number 14 is completed. In step number 15 it is saying that apply a comma style to the range D5 to I11. So we first copy the range and paste it here to select the range and apply comma style. So our step number 15 is completed. So our step number 16 is apply percent style with 1 decimal places to the range J4 to J11. So in this tab we apply percent style with 1 decimal place to the range J4 to J11. So we select first J4 to J11. So here is the J4 to J11, and it is saying that apply percent style here, and accounting number and format is to 1. So here is the format is to 1. So our step number 16 is completed. So basically this assignment consists of 26 steps. I have done 16 steps. Now our step number 17 is wrap text, bold and horizontally center the label in the range A3 to J3. So we select the range A3 to J3. So here is the range A3 to J3. We apply first wrap text is here, then apply bold is here, and then apply horizontally center. So we center, and here is the center. So our step number 17 is completed. Our step number 18 is apply green fill and apply thick bottom border to the range A3 to J3. So we first select A3 to J3. A3 to J3 is here, and apply green fill. We fill green fill is here, and thick bottom border to the range, and thick bottom border. So thick bottom border is, so here is the thick bottom border. So here is the thick bottom border. So our step number 18 is completed. So our step number 19 is apply good cell style to the range H4 to J11. So we first select this range and copy it and paste here to select the range, and it is saying that apply good cell style. So we apply cell style to good. So here is the good cell style. So our step number 19 is completed. So our step number 20 is apply align and right and indent once the data in the range J4 to J11. So in this step we apply align right and indent once. So we first copy the range, and paste here, and select and apply alignment right. So alignment right is here, and decrease intent. So our step number 20 is completed. I have completed 20 steps of this assignment, and I can do overview of 21 step. In the 21 step we select landscape orientation. So in this we select landscape orientation in the data, page layout. Here is the orientation. So here is the landscape, you select it, and in the step number 22 set 1 inch top margin and center the worksheet horizontally between the left and right margin. So in this step we set the paper. So here is the margin. So you do custom margin. So here you can change top and horizontally. So you can solve this assignment. And our step number 23 is set 110% scaling. So here is the scaling, you increase here. So here is change, and in the 24th step it is saying that insert a footer with text. You first copy it and insert header footer. So in this header footer, custom footer, so here you can paste what you need. And in the step number 25, rename sheet 1 as March, copy the worksheet, place the duplicate to the right and then rename it as April. In this step, first rename the sheet 1 as March and duplicate the row. Here is the move or copy. 25 step, rename sheet 1 as March, copy the worksheet, place the duplicate to the right and then rename it as April. So in this step you go on your Excel worksheet and here change name it and duplicate here, so create a copy here and paste it and then the new worksheet name as April. And in the 26th step it is saying that change the title to April 2024 medical expenses. In the adjust April worksheet, delete data in the range A4 to E11 and J4 to H11. So in this on the April sheet you create rename title in the April worksheet and delete all data into this. So your assignment had done. I have done this complete assignment for you. If you are new student or you have any help in these courses, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Thanks for watching my video.